Hi friends, in this video, we are going to look at how to open a Meta Business Manager and an Ads Manager account. Now, before we get into the actual account opening process, a lot of us wonder, why do we need a business manager account at all? Why can't we just run Ads Manager account? What do these two things operate differently? So let's just look at a particular structure. Okay, the point we are talking about is that this is how the whole thing has to happen. We actually run ads from the ads manager account. However, one of the ways in which you can run ads is to retarget or remarket existing audiences who have interacted with your social media handles in the past. Now, another way of doing that is I can upload a customer list and remarket to them. So let's say I have a Excel sheet of 5,000 past customers. And what Facebook allows me to do is I can upload that Excel list and it creates a custom audience. This only happens if you have a Meta business account. Now, these are advanced tools, but from the point of view of less inconvenience later on, we recommend that you should open a Meta business account and an ads manager account and then add all the other assets. So if I want to run ads on Facebook, I need a Facebook business page. If I want to run ads on Instagram, I need an Instagram business account. If I want to run any ad on Facebook, on Instagram, on Messenger, and on WhatsApp, I need to run them from the ads manager account. So the process to be followed is that we will open a Meta business account, we will open an ads manager account, and one by one connect the Facebook page, the WhatsApp account, and the Instagram account to the ads manager account, and also add people. The idea of this entire exercise is that if you have multiple businesses, then every business should have a separate ads manager account. You may decide to hire a digital marketing executive to run ads for one of the businesses, but you may decide to hire an agency like us for running some other businesses. Okay? And there should be walls between each of these businesses. So therefore, separate ads manager accounts for each of these businesses. That's the point that we are talking about. All right. So our entire process that we are going to follow is that not necessarily in this order, but this is what we are talking about. Payment information is uploaded onto the ads manager system because that's where the whole thing runs from. So we have in the previous video already created a Facebook business page. If you haven't seen that video, I would suggest we'll link it somewhere in this playlist and just have a look at it. And let's now begin all the other processes of opening a Meta business account, ads manager account, a WhatsApp account, Insta account, right? It sounds very confusing. Let's go do this step by step. All right. So I'm going to start with our page, our page. This is the page that we created in the previous video. And I'm going to click here, go to the left, and I'm going to click here on this Meta Business Suite. So as soon as I do that, what happens is my Meta Business Suite account gets opened. I have a whole lot of notifications here, and I've got this section called All Tools from where we are going to go and create a Ads Manager account. Now, it also tells me various things. It tells me 0 out of 4 steps that I have completed, and I can create a post, I can reply to messages, I can schedule a post, and I can grow my audience. So we do that one by one. So I'd like to start from here. So here's the point. One of the best things about Meta Business Suite is that you can actually schedule automations and handle all your messages that are coming in from Instagram or from Facebook in one user interface. This is that user interface. So here, once I connect, now we've not yet connected our Instagram account. So once you do that, you will start seeing messages over here. You see the messenger, you see Instagram, you'll see the comments, you'll see Insta comments and Facebook comments. I'd like to show you how to set up the automation. So you go here on the top in the, where are we? We're in the inbox section on the home page. And how did we reach here? We started from our Facebook business page and clicked on Meta Business Suite, which was part of the Manage Page tab on the left-hand side. So now you've come here and we'll click here and go on to automations. Now, the minute I click automations, I can suggest, I would suggest you go through all of this and we can actually create our first automation. You go here, create an automation, type a response. So I can start from scratch, or I want to greet people, instant reply. Okay, you reply with a greeting when someone messages you for the first time. If you're a shop and you're closed, in the night, and you want to, people to come back to you in the morning, that's when you can do that. You want to share information to frequently asked questions, location, contact information, great number of things that you can do from here. Organize messages and confirmation follow up. So I can start from scratch. I enter the name for this automation. Where would I like to use this? When would it happen? So these are the conditions. A label is added or a new message is received. Take this action. So I can add an action here. So I can send a message. It will ask me to type out the message. This is the message. So I can say, hi, okay, hi friend. Thanks for visiting our page. Why don't you go check out our website? Give us 24 hours and we'll get back to you. In the meantime, why don't you do this? And I can give here, I can do the save changes, and whoever sends in, that's it. And whoever sends in the message to my inbox on Messenger automatically gets a autoresponder message. So this is how it works. I started from the inbox, and this is where you are. This is how you create automations. The second thing that you can do is you can, from the Meta Business Suite, schedule posts. And that's a very nice thing. This is something which wasn't possible earlier, but is now possible. And here is where, so I come here on the posts and stories tab in the Meta Business Suite, and I can look here for scheduled. And once I go to scheduled, I can go here and schedule a post. This is something which we could do on YouTube very easily. And when we schedule our YouTube videos almost 4 weeks in advance. But on Instagram, we always had to use third party apps. You can now do this right here. So I can schedule a post. I can create my post over here. I know which page it is attached to. Add a photo, add a video, post the details. This is how it will look like on the right hand side, and I have the scheduling option, or I can publish it right now, or I can schedule it later. This is how I can do this with a very easy way to do this from posts and stories. All right. Now let's come to the ads manager piece. So we have looked at two things that the business suite allows you to do. One is to handle all your comments on your messages in one user interface. The second thing that it allows you to do is put in an auto responder. Now what we're going to do is we'll go into our process of creating a ads manager account. Remember, we need the ads manager account to be able to run ads on Facebook, on Instagram, on Messenger, and on WhatsApp. So I will click on the ads manager account. My ads manager account is getting opened over here. This is it. This is the basic interface of the ads manager account. I have to accept the terms and conditions, which I will do. And that's it. You're most welcome. Thank you. I'll read the terms later. Terms update is now available. I can add a payment method over here. So this is my basic ads manager interface. This is my ad account number, the ads manager account number that I have over here. And this is what I can do. I can create a campaign over here, which we will see in the next module. But before we do that, we also have to create a business manager account. So our ads manager account is now created. We now have to go to a business manager account. So what I will do is I will click on these three lines over here, and I will go to business settings. As soon as I go to business settings, it asks me to to create an account separately. So this is what I will do. I will open the account. I'll give a name here, Siddharth's digital agency. All right. And here is what I'll do. Siddharth digital agency. And my business email address, I have to give it as Siddharth. Okay, this is what we'll do. This is a dummy account that we've created, so please don't write into this email address. Our mail address is mentioned in the description, and that is what you can do. So siddharth.direction1 at gmail.com, and I will submit. So now my business manager account is getting created, and for some reason it is not able to. There was an unexpected technical issue. Please try again. Let's see how this goes. All right. Okay, so not a problem. Here's what we'll do. We have been unable to. This is how you would create a business account, and once you create a business account, it sometimes there are these glitches. So we'll do one thing. I just show you now. Once you create a business account, how this whole piece looks like. So this is the reason why there was a problem in opening the business account, because we had not yet confirmed our identity with Facebook. We opened a new account. So Facebook's a little particular about all of these things. Once you verify your identity, I guess you have to upload either a driver's license or some kind of an identity document. It will confirm the identity, and 24 hours later, you will be able to open your Meta business account. So I will just shift you to the way the Meta business account will be visible once your account gets opened, and then we'll take it from there. Okay, so once you create your business manager account, you can come back here to this page and click over here. And now you've got your, so remember, this is where we clicked on business settings. It asked us to open our business manager account. And once that gets created, you can come back here and click on business settings. This is how your page will look like now. Now, this is the Meta business account on the left hand side. This is the user interface from which I will now add an ads manager account. I will add my Instagram accounts. I will add my WhatsApp accounts, and I will add pages, and I will add people. 5 things that we have to add over here: people, Instagram accounts, WhatsApp accounts, ad manager, the ad account, and the page. So this is what we're talking about. All of this is getting connected to the Meta Business Suite. So first thing I can do is I can add people. So you can click here, mention the name of the people. Do you want them, what kind of access? You adding people as employees. They can only work on assigned accounts. Admin means you go giving them global responsibility. So add, you can do all of these things. And you can have a finance editor, you can have a developer, those kind of roles are also possible, but employee access is the access that you need to give. All right, once I give the employee access, I can go to the next part, and that person gets an email and he has to approve that email. So this is how you invite people. Your list of people will come up. Once you have these people over here, you can then add assets to them. So I can add pages, I can add ad accounts, and I can add pixels. Pixel we will cover in a different module altogether. Now the second thing that I can do is I have to now add ad accounts. This is how I do this. Now I can, okay, now look here, I can add assets. I can now see from everywhere you can go, you can do anything. You can add people first and then add accounts to those people. You can add ad accounts first and then add people to those ad accounts. All of that is possible. So I go here. There are 3 things, choices that I can do. If you're an agency and and your client already has an ad account, you can get added to that ad account. That is one. Second, if you're doing this for the first time, you simply create a new ad account. That's what you can do. Or if you've already created an ad account, just request access to an ad account. Just follow the processes that are mentioned over here. And subsequently, you can add assets, you can assign partners, you can add people, and then you can look at connected assets. Okay. Pages, you can do the same thing with pages. So your default page, the page that you created is already over here. This is where we are right now. And you've got add request access to a page, create a new page. Okay, all those things are being done over here, right? You've already created a page, so you can just go here and and mention that page that you want to add. So this is where it works. Once you have all of these things set up over here, this is your ads manager account, and this is the spot from where we are going to start running ads. Remember, one more thing that needs to be done over here is once you go to your ads manager account, this is where you are. You have to add billing information. You have to add funds. This is a prepaid account. So this is how it goes. This is how we operate. We have this. The way it works is that you can click here, add funds, and there are various ways in which you can add funds. You can upload through net banking, through credit card, through debit card. Okay, all of those things are lots of methods over here. So pretty simple. So you're set now, all set to run ads. Let's begin.